I need to take a picture of this.
This is insane.
Like, I need to get a picture of it. It's actually hilarious.
And this is comfortable.
Yes.
You know? Okay.
I'm really tall. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Well, you're back.
I'm back. I feel like I don't look the same, but I'm back.
You don't look the same.
Okay.
Okay. So, you know, everybody was really, really upset by our last video.
Yes.
The ex-best friend thing.
Yes.
Do we want to tell them?
I was like, should we preface this first?
No. Oh, just kidding.
Not friends.
Oh, you know what? I will say one thing. People fucking grow up, alright?
She's in her 30s now.
Literally. I'm in my 30s, like, normalize healing friendships.
A lot can happen in a year.
For sure.
A lot can happen in a year. That's the gist of it.
And get over the fact that I rage baited y'all.
Yeah.
Like,
and y'all fell for it.
Yeah. Thanks for the million views. We were best friends again.
We're so fucking weird. Okay.
Anyways, let's get into your hair now that that's all.
Okay.
We're going black.
We're going black.
Black.
We're going full black. We're saying goodbye to the red. And then I went back and looked at pictures. You dyed my hair in February of 2024 and restarted my vivid journey because remember I had like regular like brown hair.
Yes.
And then you took me purple and like magenta.
Yes.
That was when I restarted my little like vivid journey and I think I'm done with it.
Also, if we're gonna go back to that, when I left your house after doing your hair, being like, I want to
go back to school.
Hair.
Yes.
How weird is that?
That is weird, actually.
Now you're in my
But it was
selection.
February 2024 because I was like trying to see like when was the last time I had just like normal colored hair.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow, it's really been 2 years. And like I have a picture like in front of your porch.
Yes.
And stuff like
Yes.
that. So I was like, oh my god.
That is crazy.
So now we're saying goodbye to it.
We are saying goodbye to it. We're going jet black. I've got 2 different kinds of black that I'm going to be mixing together. And then we're also, big reveal.
Yeah. I just feel like I never make your job easy. I'm always like, no, let's do the opposite of what we did last time. Oh my god.
So this was my hair. And that's that on having a best friend.
This was literally on your head.
Yeah, this was my hair. I'm no longer black-headed. And so now she's getting it. And that's reuse and repurpose, you know?
But I know you take great care of your hair. I'm so excited.
I do. And it's gonna get a little, like I'm gonna put like a black gloss on it and stuff.
I was gonna ask if we could do a gloss.
Yes.
Okay.
While you're processing, I'm gonna do a gloss on your hair when I rinse you, but I'm gonna have that kind of sitting in some.
Yeah.
And then this is fresh hair that I had left over.
Okay.
Remember I bought 240 grams and I only put 220?
You put 220, yes.
So.
How much do you think you'll be able to get in my hair? Like now that, I mean, you know my hair.
I would really, really hope to not have to put as much in your hair.
Okay.
Than I had in my head because I think you would hate that. I had a lot of hair in my head and it was heavy and it's a lot, you know? I would, and I'm not saying by like much, but I had three dudes.
Oh.
So they were, I had my top 2 wefts were double stacked.
Feeling the back of your head.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, because like when you took your hat off and I felt it, I didn't feel like it was like...
No, but it was a lot and it was very hot and you get too hot
I get
and then
so
you're
sweaty. My thing
then
though,
you're grumpy.
I am grumpy. If I get angry, if I'm hungry or hot. But I don't know, I mean, realistically, yes, I would love just like a lot of hair. Would love like just more full volume than this. Yeah. Not that I had anything against the K-tips, but like I'm ready to like advance.
No, this is going to feel like a lot. Okay. For sure, no matter how much we do. Yeah. I would prefer to not triple or quadruple stack one row on you because one, I don't think you need it. Your hair has, because you have like that thicker hair. Yeah. So I wouldn't worry that much, but your hair is longer. Your natural hair is longer. Yes. So we're not going to have to blend as much. However I'm feeling.
Okay. I mean, I trust you, whatever you want to do. I just want the red gone. Yeah. I'm so over it.
Which is crazy to even hear you say.
Well, I think I had like a reflection moment because I felt like I needed the red to stand out. Like that was my confidence thing. Like that was my conversation starter. Be like, oh my gosh, I love your hair. So I'm like, oh, we can have a conversation. Yeah. But I feel like I'm so much more confident in who I am and like my personality and like what I do. Yeah. That I don't feel like I have to stand out in that way. Like I can hold my own just having regular hair color. Yeah. But I didn't feel like I could do that like 2 years ago.
so crazy that you're saying that. Because literally as I was getting ready this morning and driving here, I was like, this makes me feel like I'm like a normal person. And like just having my hair's light brown.
Yeah, which is wild. Absolutely, and short.
And it's not that black was like this crazy color, but it was so like my identity.
Yes,
just
like you held on to that.
Yeah, and so now I'm trying to be like, it's just hair.
Yes.
Like it doesn't, but we can progress with our hair. I'm going to the journey that I need to be. The red was a fucking moment.
I love it.
I will relish in the views. Like your video I went from what, 4,000 followers?
For hair.
Like it was great, you know?
Just for hair. I think this will do well too.
I do too.
But I just think it's such a different time. Like red was so fun. And who's to say I'm not gonna go back in a year? But it's like
the permanent color.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a process for sure, but I feel like we're willing at some point. If I'm like, hey, this was so fun.
Yeah.
I need something.
Or maybe, hear me out on this. We could just get a colored weft and add that and not
actually love that idea.
Your hair anymore.
I'm just tired of dyeing this.
Yes. I mean, your hair isn't damaged, even with how much lightener and stuff we put on it. Like, it really isn't damaged.
I feel like my hair is she's pretty strong when it comes to the things that we've done to it, but I just feel like we've never done this. And like, then to have extra hair, that's just gonna be a thing. I might cry.
I've never been jet black.
I've been 2N. Never have I been jet black. Ever. Like, never have I touched the ones.
Never 1B.
But that's why I'm like, I'm kind of, I'm going to say I'm nervous. Like, it's definitely.
Do you want to use like a toner instead?
No. Okay. Like, if we're going to do it, we're going to do it.
Yeah, weird.
But
you don't actually have that option.
I also have dark hair. It's not like I'm going from blonde to black hair. So I don't really know what the issue is with me, but it's definitely, it's going to have to grow on me, I think.
It's really funny though, because like if we actually sit and think about it, your race has jet black hair.
Like pretty normal, yes.
So it's not like it's
I know, but it's just gonna feel so normal. And that's where I'm like, okay, I'm so used to having this.
Look in the mirror. You're covered in tattoos. Your face eats.
I did my makeup really good today.
You are not gonna look normal.
I know, but it's just like the hair is gonna be normal. Like I said, this was my standout moment. This is what I thought I needed.
You're gonna get 22-inch wefts put on you.
I know, I'm so excited about the 22.
And I already know that you're gonna be like, let's keep as long as we can.
Yeah, but then I'm gonna call you in literally like a month and be like, well.
No, you're not, because you even said with this.
That's true.
I thought 20s at least the next time instead of you.
Like a week after.
Yeah.
Like once I was like, oh, I kinda like these.
So.
Are we keeping these? I forgot to bring my baggie of ones that came out.
No.
Okay.
They don't stay in, so.
The bond didn't. We didn't use your bond.
I know.
So that's the only difference.
Shout out to outsourcing bond, I guess.
Yeah, that was
but
8 came out.
That's crazy considering you didn't lose one before.
Not a single one.
Well.
And we're at 4 months. So this is literally 4 months from when you put in the K-tips. I'm excited. I just want to see like grow out. Like I want to know how much my hair grew.
Oh, yeah.
That part I think is going to be super fun.
It is.
The
I'm
end
excited.
I'm really here for the end.
So is everybody else.
Can't wait.
Should I turn you and then?
Okay, so I was kind of thinking about that. I kind of don't want to see until the end. But I don't know how to do that when both of us are making content.
We're not looking at any camera. We're just looking at the mirror.
But what do you think? Like, should I wait until the end or should I?
I was also thinking that, but I didn't want to pressure you.
Okay, no, I think I want to wait until the end because, yeah. I think we were going to do that last time with the red, but then it got so chaotic that we just like, I do want to see my grow out. So.
All right, well, I'm going to turn you really dramatically, and then we're going to turn you really dramatically again when you have your black hair, okay?
I'm going to get sick. No, my eyes are too scared.
It looked great for my POV.
It did look good on this side. I'm like, I only have those saved.
Say goodbye to your face.
What? Oh, okay. Yes. Goodbye, face. Wait, that kind of made me nervous.
You're the one who said you wanted to do this.
Now I'm nervous. Okay. I'm good at letting go of control. And was not nearly as nervous as this.
Do you want me to turn you around or?
I don't know. I can't open my eyes. I'm too scared. Does it look good? I'm so scared.
Hold on.
No! I didn't see what. I don't have my glasses on anyways.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'm not ready. Oh. Yeah, that's the one.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I know. It's
Oh.
so good. And it's a lot of hair, right?
I love her. She's so beautiful.
Stop crying.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Yeah.
I feel like me.
This is why we do it.
Oh my gosh, dude, this looks so good. Oh my gosh.
That's why when I after rinsing your hair, I was like, oh, this is.
Oh my gosh, dude. I love it.
Tulane and jet black are different, huh?
Oh my god, yeah. I'm so sorry for crying.
This is such a good, no, thank you.
This is so, come here. Like, dude, seriously? That is, oh my gosh.
I love it.
This is my dream hair. Like, this is it. Like, red who? Like, what?
I told you.
Dude, I love it.
Good.
I'm serious. I don't know what to do. It looks so good.
Thanks.
Holy shit. This is my hair now.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what?
It is long as fuck. I am gonna need you to stand up for the people though. Because it doesn't feel that long to you because you're sitting down. Let me let you down.
That is so true. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna need you to stand exactly where I'm standing.
Okay. Okay. Dude, I
Hold
love
on,
it.
for pants wear, you know?
Oh my gosh. I would pass out. Like, this is not real.
Sit back down if you need it.
Dude,
I know. I know.
I can't. There's just no way.
I know. Give her a little.
This is like.
Give her a little toss.
What? Ain't no way. This is. Oh, this is so freaking good. You thought I was bad with the red.
No.
It's gonna be so much worse.
This is
so much worse.
It's so good.
I feel like this just like brought me back to life. Holy shit. I peaked. There is no up from here. This is it. Even, I know it's long, but I like it. Like, yeah. I like the length of it. No, I thought it was gonna be...
I mean, straight, it might be a little bit much for you,
yeah, but I don't.
Depending on, you don't ever wear your hair straight, but you might want to now that you have this.
Who is she? I am so... Pull myself together. This is... You can't even tell.
No.
Like... Oh my god, why did it take me so long? Who let me do red?
I think I need
Why this? It doesn't help that we're standing next to each other and you're seeing the black.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I've never cried over hair, so this is a first. Even when it was the worst. Oh yeah, full blown. I told you I was nervous, but I was like excited.
Yeah.
But like, this is what I needed. This is...
Yeah.
I just holding it.
There's about, I would say it's about a weft. If we were to put them together, these are two, you know?
Wouldn't fit in here.
Yeah.
Oh my
Welcome
god.
to the fucking horse tail.
Like, I don't even know what I would do.
Hopefully you have a big clip.
No, but
Okay.
Amazon said this. Amazon for sure. In the top 5.
It's so good.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
Oh, this is so fun. Like, I just unlocked a new level.
I made
so
my
different.
ex-best friend cry.
Very different from the last one
For sure.
that we did. I don't know why.
It's so good.
I'm just gonna blame my luteal face on it, but no. I love her. She's everything I want to be. Everything that I am. Oh, yeah, let's go get a beer. Like, I don't know what we're doing. Bitch!
Okay, let's go.